My fellow Jamaicans, it is with great pride and jubilation that I, Percival James Patterson, stand before you to declare Tuesday, August 3rd, a public holiday. Monday, August 2nd is Emancipation Day. However, based on the performance of our athletes in Tokyo, Japan, Jamaicans require an extra day of celebrations. I would also like to advise that all COVID restrictions and curfews will be lifted for this celebration. As the young people say in the streets, if a dirt, a dirt. Jamaicans from all walks of life should now go out and sweep the streets in celebration of this great achievement. Have a good day and God bless you.